How to sign in Lorex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign in into your account. First of all, open the application. Now you can see this interface when you open the application. Now tap on login. Here, you must enter your email and password with which you have registered. So enter the email and password again. Now here you can see this login button in blue. Tap on this login button. So it will take some time for you to log in. So as you can see, I have been logged in into my account and I am inside this devices home option. So you can simply add the devices and add all the security features. So here you can see the other options that are available too. So this is how you add or log in into your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.